tangles less, cares more. W3050 Wobble Technology by Samsung. Wobble Technology cares for fabric by reducing the tangling of clothes. The diamond drum minimizes damage by preventing clothes from getting caught. W3050's central digital inverter motor continuously rotates, plus enhances energy efficiency. It's also durable and strong, and built to last for longer. Beautiful round edge design with perfect curves. A dual cluster control panel with separately divided preset courses for left and right sides. Ergonomically designed slanted control panel. Samsung W3050 with Wobble Technology.
We all have a freezer at home, right? It's a household appliance that never gets a break, and we keep it running day and night. Why not use all that surplus energy to keep yourself cool? Geyser is an eco-friendly, ice-powered cooling system that uses a special cooling gel that has amazing running costs, just under 1 cent a day. Even the casing is eco-friendly. Geyser is made of good old high-grade insulating wood. This means that the ice pack defrosts at a snail's pace, lengthening the operation time greatly. It's ventilated all round, giving 360 degrees of cooling power. It's small too, which means it's portable and can be used wherever you need it. It's powered by a LiPo battery and can be charged via micro USB. Geyser has no on-off switches and only works if the two parts are connected. This makes it safer for children and pets. The first plans were drawn on paper and then turned into 3D models. The first prototypes were made using a 3D printer. After an in-depth study regarding possible materials, wood was chosen for its outstanding insulation qualities. Then, the best components for long service life and performance were chosen. The cone-shaped ice pack acts as a diffuser, defrosting itself over a timescale of 5 hours. There's even an insert for an air freshener, just inserted into the base. And just line up the 2 blue dots and pop the lid on. Geyser is available in natural wood finish or paint finish, with 2 different ventilation grids.
as we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities.